Benjamin Kirby Tennyson, or Ben 10,000, was one of the coolest concepts that was introduced right from the original show. A timeline of adult Ben and his adventures is something that we all wanted to see. Thus, we need to talk about him. Hello and welcome to WonderYZ. My name is Soham, and today we are going to talk about 5 amazing facts that you should know about Ben 10,000. Anyway, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to the channel since I do weekly Ben 10 related content. With that being said, let's begin. Ben 10,000 is one of the possible future versions of the main timeline of Ben Prime, who has now become a full-time superhero. He is one of Ben's possible futures from an alternate timeline because of the incidents that happened after Ben Prime went to the future during the events of the Ben 10,000 episode. According to the classic continuity, this is one of the two main possible future counterparts of Ben, the other one being Ultimate Ben, whom I'll talk about in a different video altogether. Now Ben 10,000 has changed considerably, both in his looks as well as in his personality, since his introduction in the episode Ben 10,000 to his last appearance in the Omniverse. Ben 10,000's nickname comes from the fact that Ben now has access to at least 10,000 alien forms. And this was the case in the original series. It's absolutely safe to assume that he now has access to a lot more aliens by the time of Omniverse. Ben 10,000 initially had a very cocky and happy-go-lucky attitude just like Ben Prime. But things changed one day after an encounter with Vilgax. This incident happened when Ben was 20, and since then he became strict and somewhat obsessed with the hero business, roaming the planet as XLR8 and stopping crimes. But in this process, he nearly lost his human nature altogether. But all of this changed after the events of Ben 10,000 episode, which resulted in Ben 10,000 remembering his past and then regaining some of his fun-loving personality. He still has his mad levels of temper as shown in the episode Ken 10, but overall his personality has definitely improved as it is evident in Omniverse. He goes on to marry Kai Green in the future timeline, and they have a son together called Ken Kenny Tennyson, who is named after their cousin Ken. Similarly, he also had a daughter Gwendolyn Tennyson, but there's a big point of confusion here because Gwendolyn Tennyson, the supposed daughter of Ben 10,000, only appears in the episode Ken 10, and she is never seen again or mentioned again in Omniverse. So there's a contradiction in regards to her, especially because the Ben 10 wiki claims that Dwayne McDuffie told that Gwendolyn was actually Ben's daughter, but there are actually no credible references to support this claim. But either way, Ben 10,000 has now mastered his Omnitrix, and not only that, by virtue of his intelligence, he has also managed to make a replica Omnitrix that he gifts his son Ken on his 10th birthday. Ben 10,000 is a lot more muscular and fit now, something that reflects on the appearance of his aliens as well. Moreover, he is notably a lot smarter as well. Not only did he create a replica Omnitrix, but he also created the Biomnitrix with the minds of the smartest aliens. The Biomnitrix is basically a dual Omnitrix system that Ben 10,000 develops in the future. Having mastered the Master Control now, Ben 10,000 can not only transform into any alien, but he can now also do fusions of his aliens as well. This was an incredibly cool concept that was introduced in the Omniverse, and personally, I'm a huge fan of this. If you guys want, then I'll surely make a video on the Biomnitrix as well. But some of the most popular alien fusions from the Biomnitrix include Humongupsaur, Uprig, Atomic X, etc. Now Ben 10,000 was such a cool concept, and I really wish we got to see a spin-off series based on his life and adventure. But that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. So those were 5 interesting facts that you should know about Ben 10,000. Be sure to come back next week when I'll talk about more Ben 10 related stuff. So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is WonderYZ and I'll see you soon in the next video.